Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abby. Happy birthday to you.
Abigail, this is your birthday cake. Mommy made a cake just for you. It has a candle on top. Do you know what the candle says? It says 2. How do you say 2?
Say 2.
Oh, do you want some? You know what we do with the candle? We have to blow it. Can you blow the candle? Blow again. Blow more until the fire goes away. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow hard.